We measure the center of the forehead and draw the vertical lines. The measure will help us determine the frenulum under the upper lip. We combine the lower beginnings of eyebrows with hairs. If one start is higher than the other, we center the heights. This line should be parallel to the eyelash line of both eyes. We mark the lines from the ala of nose through the inner corner of the eye. Now check the symmetry and the distance between the lines. We design the lines through the nasal wing and the outer part of the iris, or the center of the outer part of the iris. We mark the lines through the nasal wing and the outer corner of the eye. We put a pencil on the eyebrow and slip it towards the ear by drawing the top of the tail. The most important thing now is to check whether all the crosses in our drawing are at the same distances on both sides of the ruler. If they are different, you center both sides. The lines defining the upper part of the beginning are determined parallel to the line from point number 2, guided by hairs. The lower lines are determined by hand. We determine the point on the 4th line, defining the width of the eyebrows on the eyebrow, and we transfer it to the other side. Then we connect it with the tip and with the point determining the bottom of the beginning. We combine them with a cross defining the upper lines of the brow arch. Round the arches on both eyebrows. Remember to keep symmetry. Finally, clean and refine the lines. Your perfect drawing is ready.